In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of a single Gmail account. So if you're signed in to multiple Google accounts, you probably notice there's only this sign out of all accounts button. So if you want to go and sign out of these accounts individually, then what you'll need to do is just grab a smartphone and then we're just going to open up an internet browser. Now from your phone, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that you want to sign out of, and then click on the profile icon in the top right hand side and select manage your Google account. In the top navigation, scroll all the way across and click on security. And then scroll down to the devices section and click on manage all devices. Now from here you'll be able to see all of your current sessions and where you're currently signed into. So if I wanted to sign out of this single account on my computer, then what I could do is scroll down to where I'm currently logged into, which is my Windows computer, click on that particular session, and then I can just go and press this sign out button, and that's going to sign out of this single account on my computer. And then for example, if you wanted to sign out of a single account on your phone, then you could do the same thing. You could just use your laptop to sign you out of that account on your phone. So it's a bit of a weird way to do this, but this is the only way to sign out of single accounts in Google. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.